if the mudaf ilayhi is definite, then brothers and sisters, mudaf is automatically definite. Now, brothers and sisters, what happens if the mudaf ilayhi is indefinite? Then it becomes automatically. What is the example of mudaf ilayhi indefinite, brother? I will write down. Kitabu talibin. See, talibin, indefinite. Are you with me? How will you translate? A book of a student. Both are indefinite. Why? Because if the mudaf ilayhi is indefinite, then the mudaf is also indefinite. But if the mudaf is definite, then the mudaf ilayhi becomes automatically definite. Even though there is no al, okay? Because of course it cannot have tanween. Okay. Now look at, brothers and sisters, I write down here a sentence. Kitabu Muhammadin became Kitabu Muhammadin. And Kalamun al-Mudarrisu will become Kalamul Mudarrisi. Kalamu al-Mudarrisi. Okay. Now tell me, al-Mudarrisi is mudaf ilayhi. Is it definite, indefinite? It is definite. Then what will happen to kalamu? It is definite. It is definite. But there are many teachers, okay? And one of the teacher left a pen, and we don't know to whom it belongs. So we can say kalamu mudarrisin. Now tell me, is mudarrisin definite, indefinite? Indefinite. So what will happen to kalam? It is indefinite. We don't know which teacher, any teacher. Got the idea? But when you say kalamul mudarrisi, then you know which teacher you are talking about. Got the idea? Inshallah. Is it clear? Inshallah. Okay. Okay. Having said that, brother, I just want to write down a sentence. Yeah.
Supposing we add a fee, it belongs to, supposing we add a preposition to in front of kalamu, will that become kalami?
Well, what kind of proposition do you want to put?
To, if we put belongs to the mudaris.
Then you will change the sentence. Al-kalamu lil mudarris. How will you say? Al-kalamu, the pen. Now we want to, you see, once the pen is on its own, then it became al-kalamu. Because it is a particular pen you are talking about. Al-kalamu lil mudarris. Let me write down. Al-kalamu lil mudarrisi. Got the idea?
Have a different sentence structure there.
There we have difference. No, there is no mudaf ilayhi. Now this is our mubtada and this is jar majroor. Shibu jumla khabar. The pen belongs to the teacher. This will be there. Okay. Now I just I always give you this sentence. Plus, brothers, there are many sentences in your handout. And I would like you to look through those sentences of mudaf ilayhi. While I'm writing this, Brother Muhammad, can you see in the handout what page it is, brother? 14, 15, huh? I come to one more question before I go further. Brother Abdul Samad, you said, if you had only Masjidu Rasuli, that construction is incorrect. Masjidu Rasuli is not correct. You will have to say Masjidur Rasuli. Are you with me? What will you say? Masjidur Rasuli. Yeah? Because if that is your mudaf ilayhi, then we are talking about that particular masjid of the Rasul. You will say Masjidur Rasuli. As soon as you brought Allah, and the Rasul is going to become mudaf, we cannot have al. I cannot say Masjidur Rasulillahi. It has to be Masjidu Rasulillahi. Why? If I were to write down only this one, this much, brother, Masjidu Rasuli. What is this, brother? Mudaf ilayhi. Now I want to say masjid of the Prophet of Allah. So I add Allah here at the end. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Because see, if you say Masjidur Rasuli, it is correct. But as soon as you want to make this into mudaf, then it cannot have al. Are you with me? It cannot have al. Now you will say Masjidu Rasulillahi. Do you follow why? No al? Because it is becoming a mudaf from here.
Okay, but a mudaf can also be a majroor?
Yeah, if it is in the chain.
Okay.
So
Huh?
mudaf is never definite. Is that what you mean?
Mudaf cannot have al.
So that means it can't be definite.
It will be definite by its situation. She's asking mudaf cannot be definite. I say mudaf is definite by its situation. See, here is kitabu. Is it definite, indefinite? You will look to the mudaf ilayhi. If the mudaf ilayhi is definite, then the mudaf is definite. Do you see? What is the sign of definite? Al. Do you see al here? You don't see. But then the question is it definite or not? Where will you go to check? Okay? Now here, Kitabu Talibin. Is Kitabu definite? I don't know. Nothing is given here. But when I look here, then it tells me that this is indefinite. Because the mudaf ilahi is indefinite, this became indefinite. Now look at this, brothers and sisters. Again I want you to draw your attention. Masjidu, Rasuli, Lahi. Are you with me? Masjid doesn't have al. Rasul doesn't have al. But the last mudaf ilahi has al. Because that mudaf ilahi is not going to become mudaf again. So you at the end you have the final definite noun. Shall I repeat again? Masjid doesn't have al. Rasul doesn't have al. But the Allah has al. Why Allah has al? Because that is the end of our chain. Nothing going further. If there was something further, then even that noun will also be without al. Are you with me? So, because this is definite, Sister Abi, this is definite. And because this is definite, then are we doing algebra here? Yes. See, it's like mathematics. Okay, now I give you a sentence. And page number, did you say 14, 15? You know, there are many beautiful examples of mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, and you should do it. Try to analyze them. In a simple way, you know, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. It will give you extra understanding and practice. Brother, Babu, what did I write, brother? Babu Baiti Ibni Khadimi Mudarrisi Maksurun. Okay. What is Babu? I know that. Fatah Abdul Samad. Mubtada, mashallah, zindabad. Huh? May Allah bless you. May increase you now. Mubtada. Huh? And then it is mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Are you with me, Sister Ambi? Mudaf ilayhi is baiti. Then there is something going on. So then it is again mudaf. And where is ibni? Mudaf ilayhi. Again there is something going on. It is mudaf. And then khadimi, mudaf ilayhi. Again something is going on. Then the khadimi is mudaf and al-mudarrisi mudaf. Now al-mudarrisi came at the end. There is no further chain of mudaf ilayhi. Last of it became definite. If this is definite, is this definite? Yes. If this is definite, is this definite? Yes. Is this definite? Yes. And then is this definite, Babu? Yes. Everything is definite. Because you see the final mudaf ilayhi being definite. Okay. Further? Okay. Now you tell me where is the khabar? Maksurun. So what is the actual sentence, brother? Al-babu maksurun. What is the actual sentence? Al-babu maksurun. दरवाजा टूटा है इसको समझाने के लिए इतना झगड़ा कर दिया. Son, now you try to do translation in English using of. The door of the house of the son of the servant of the teacher is broken. Now this is just a example. We won't come across this kind of sentences. Again say the translation, brother. The door of the house of the son of the servant of the teacher is broken. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now this is just an example. But we will have lots of examples coming. So inshallah you will be able to master it. Brother, the thing is that this mudaf ilayhi concept, one has to do a lot of reading in the book and write. And write so that this concept is fresh in your mind all the time. Okay? So we end it here, inshallah. And you will see page 14, 15, 16 in the handout, practice. Okay, now we go, brother. We go to pronouns. I want to give you a pill, but I want to give you a sugar-coated pill. Okay? So, when the pronoun joins a noun, what is the result? Whether you don't even have to write it, you just have to, it will come to you, inshallah. Are you? When the pronoun joins a noun, we get mudaf ilayhi. Good, got it? Now, so we know our pronouns. And if I write down here, Kitabu, maybe I can even write down Al-Kitabu, and then now I'm joining it with pronoun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So his book or book of his, how will you say? Kitabuhu. And now we know our 14 pronouns, so we can quickly say them. Kitabuhu, kitabuhuma, kitabuhum, kitabuha, kitabuhuma, kitabuhum, kitabuka, kitabukuma, kitabukum, kitabuki, kitabukuma, kitabukunna, kitabi, kitabuna. Everybody must participate. Whether the more you will say, the understanding will become stronger and you will be able to think quickly. Are you with me? Okay. Now, if I say, fi kitabi he, I won't say fi kitabi hu. No, who became he? Why? fi kitabihi. See, here is your first jarun wa majrur. And then what is our next compound? Okay. Fi harf jar, kitabi ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, and he mudaf ilayh. But try to say fi kitabi hu. Say everybody fi kitabi hu. How do you, it doesn't sound good. You have to use so many muscles of your mouth to say fi kitabi hu. So who became he? Not for any grammar reason, but just for phonetic reasons. Brother, are you with me? So you will be able to conjugate that also. Fi kitabi hima, fi kitabi him, fi kitabi ha, fi kitabi hima, fi kitabi hinna. Those 5 pronouns in the third person, huwa, huma, hum, huma, hunna, they will have a kasra. If there is a kasra before them. Or if there is a ya before them with a sukun, fine. Are you with me, brother? And then fi kitabi ka, fi kitabi kuma, fi kitabi kum, fi kitabi ki, fi kitabi kuma, fi kitabi kunna, fi kitabi, and then fi kitabina, fi kitabina, bina. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, same thing will happen. Even we say, because this comes all the time in the Quran. What will you say now? Rabbuhu, Rabbuhuma, Rabbuhum, Rabbuha, Rabbuhuma, Rabbuhunna, Rabbuka, Rabbukuma, Rabbukum, Rabbuki, Rabbukuma, Rabbukunna, Rabbi, and then Rabbuna. And we say all the time in the Quran. Now let us use min. Min Rabbihi, min Rabbihima, min Rabbihim, min Rabbiha, min Rabbihima, min Rabbihinna, min Rabbika, min Rabbikuma, min Rabbikum, min Rabbiki, min Rabbikuma, min Rabbikunna, min Rabbi, min Rabbina. So see, it's very easy, logical, and fascinating. I found this whole thing very beautiful and fascinating. Brother. Okay, so we have an idea. Now, if the pronoun joins preposition, what is the result? Jarun wa majrur. Are you with me? If the pronoun joins preposition, it becomes jarun wa majrurun. So here I am writing, brothers and sisters. How many? There are on page number, I think 17. These are the harf jars given, brother. Min, I think, ala. I'm not writing in order. Ila, and then we have fi, and then we have bi, and then we have an. Min, ala, ila, fi, bi, an, li. Very important, li. Is there any more? That's it. Ma is zarf. We are going to do ma separately. We have ma, and we are practicing in the. Mother. Now, if you say min, and you use no pronoun, again, brothers and sisters. Okay. Now you use the pronoun again. Okay? Min. Very easy, very simple. Once you get into that, momentum, it becomes extremely easy, brother. It becomes extremely easy. What is it, brother? Start from min. Minhu, minhuma, minhum, minha, minhuma, minhunna, minka, minkuma, minkum, minki, minkuma, minkunna, minni, minna. And if I say anything, brother, you will be able to do it. Just for the sake of fun. This is what we'll do in book 2, but I'm doing it now. Because it is in the Quran. Just for the sake of fun. If I, see, you started it. Can you do 14? I bet you can do it. Ready? Innahu, innahuma, innahum, innaha, innahuma, innahunna, innaka, innakuma, innakum, innaki, innakuma, innakunna, inni, innana. You can say both ways. Innani you can say, or you can say inni, or you can say inna, or you can say innana. Both will be correct. Both will be correct. How easily you said it, brother.
How would you write inni?
Okay. You can write down two ways. Innani, or you will say inni. Or you will say innana, or you will say inna. Ji? Ji?
Inna is more used, right?
Yeah, inna is more. But both are correct. Both are correct. Yeah. Are you with me? So, did you see how much with ease you were able to say it? Yes. Oh, don't ask me that. That is book 2, brother. We were only trying to conjugate. Didn't I tell you about that student who had come from some madrasa in India, and he had worked very hard. He was a brilliant student. When he went to the Middle East to study more, and he always used to say, I know grammar very well, I can conjugate anything, So the teacher gave him some word, he wrote it down something. And, because as we wrote down this, I can write down anything and you will be able to conjugate. Are you with me there? Let me write down. What will this be now? Annahu, annahuma, annahum, annaha, annahuma, annahunna, annaka. See, now I am using anna, all the annaka, annakuma, annakum, annaki, annakuma, annakunna, anni, anna. Now come to lakin. Lakinnahu, lakinnahuma, lakinnahum, lakinnaha, lakinnahuma, lakinnahunna, lakinnaka, lakinnakuma, lakinnakum, lakinnaki, lakinnakuma, lakinnakunna, lakinnani, lakinnana. Father, did you have any difficulty in doing it? Sisters? Inshallah, no difficulty. So, these are the things which will make it very easy now. And whenever you will see these combinations, your mind will immediately understand in a fraction of a sentence. Okay? Now, do not do anything with inna. Just forget it that you don't know it. Otherwise, you will get into trouble. Because it is a different ball game. Which we will do in book 2, inshallah, very soon. We hope to finish book 1 by the end of the month, inshallah. And then beginning of December, we will start book 2, inshallah. But I won't go fast. If there is need for revision, I will revise. You will tell me, and I will revise again. Are you with me, brother? Now, that student, let me finish the story. So the teacher wrote down a word and said, conjugate, and he conjugated everything. He said, what is the meaning of this word? He said, I don't know. You don't know and you conjugate it? Yes, I can conjugate anything. He said, brother, this word does not exist in Arabic language. You conjugated something that does not exist in Arabic language. He said, how do I know? To me it looked like a verb, so I conjugated. So you will become so strong, you will conjugate anything. Because the rules are there in your mind, how it works, So inshallah you will find that when we go to book 3, which is such a thick book, but it is most beautiful book of the 3 books. Because your foundation is there. Your foundation is there, you will find it most interesting, inshallah. Okay, fine. Now we come to Allah. Now, what is the difference between Allah and min? The difference is that Allah ends with a ya. It's a ya. Even though it is alif, it is a ya. Brothers and sisters, Allah. What will be Allah? Will become, you put who to it? Alayhi. Why did you make it he? Now, phonetic reason, but why? Because ya came with a sukoon. So if there is a kasra before the pronoun who, huma, hum, huma, hunna, or ya before who, huma, hum, huma, hunna, then the who will become he, huma will become hima, hum will become him, huma will become hima, and hunna will become hinna. Are you with me? Are you with me? Inshallah. So brother, start now. Alayhi, alayhima, alayhim, alayha. No change. Alayhima, alayhinna. And then alayka, alaykuma, alaykum, alayki, alaykuma, alaykunna, and then alayya. Because 2 ya came, now we have to give a fatha. I explained to you the other day. Alayya. And then alayna. Let us do quickly. Ila. Ilayhi, ilayhima, ilayhim, ilayha, ilayhima, ilayhinna, ilayka, ilaykuma, ilaykum, ilayki, ilaykuma, ilaykunna, ilayya, ilayna. Got the idea about the fi? Fihi, fihima, fihim, fiha, fihima, fihinna, fika, fikuma, fikum, fiki, fikuma, fikunna, fiya, fina. Got the idea about that? Next one, bi. Bihi, bihima, bihim, biha, bihima, bihinna, bika, bikuma, bikum, biki, bikuma, bikunna, bina. MashaAllah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Anhu, anhuma, anhum, anha, anhuma, anhunna, anka, ankuma, ankum, anki, ankuma, ankunna, anni, anna. Very good. Now comes li. Ready? Lihu? No. Lahu. Lahu. Li will become lahu. Alright? Got the idea? Now, brothers and sisters, you got to write it. You got to write this at home, then inshallah you will never ever forget it. Everything, even in the handout, we have done for you, but you have to write it on a separate page. All of these things. Writing will make you strong. Lahu, lahuma, lahum, laha, lahuma, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakuma, lakunna, li, lana. MashaAllah. It's not given in the book. We have given you separate handout in order to make you strong, so that when you come to the lessons, the lessons become, no, halwa puri. The lessons become halwa puri. Are you with me? Becomes very easy. Becomes delicious, brother. Okay? Like delicio. Okay? Are you with me, brother? I felt when I was studying that doing these things, when you have an idea, you know what it means, you know it's jar majroor, things become very easy, brother. Very, very easy for you. Okay? Now we come to zarf. There are many zarf. But these are the most common and popular. Ma'a, ma'ahu, ma'ahuma, ma'ahum, ma'aha, ma'ahuma, ma'ahumma, ma'ahunna, ma'aka, ma'akuma, ma'akum, ma'aki, ma'akuma, ma'akunna, ma'i, and then ma'ana. See? And it can come with tahta and fauka and everything. Same, yes, brother. Ma'i. Because, see, here is ma'a. Come our favorite ya mutakallim. What will it do, Brother Farooq? It will bring it down. It doesn't like fatha. So, ma'a became ma'i. And I always say, remember, how many words are there? 2. Ma'a plus ya. And if I say, how many words are here? 2. Well, one is harf jar, and then other is ism majroor. Harf jar and ism majroor. That ya is majroor now. And if I write down, brother, li, how many words are there? There are 2 words. One is harf jar, and what is this? That is why I tell you, harf jar, you got to say loudly, brother. Harf jar, ism majroor. Anytime you hear me looking at you and say harf jar, I need an answer. Ism majroor, so that you will never ever forget. And when the ism is majroor, you will give it a kasra. You will not give it a dhamma. You will never make a mistake then. No, any harf jar ism majroor. Ya mutakallim, it will bring it down. This is what I meant. See, ma'i came. But if I say lahu, brother, what is lahu? Jarun wa majroor. So where is harf jar? Where is ism majroor? So if I tell you harf jar, ism majroor. Every time there is a harf jar, the noun will be majroor with a kasra. Now there is no kasra here. Why? Because it is mabni, because it is fixed. It is fixed. That is why. Okay? Now we come to inda. Ready? Indahu, indahuma, indahum, indaha, indahuma, indahunna, indaka, indakuma, indakum, indaki, indakuma, indakunna, indi, indana. Indana. Okay. Now if I say min, what will happen now? Let me write down, brother. Indahu. Now I want to write down min here. What will happen now? Min in the, now the came, he will come. Why did you put he? Because there is a kasra there. Are you with me? It's easy. Remember, in this is a noun. In the zarf, adverb is a noun. So what is this? Min in the jarun or majrurun. And what is this? Zarf and mudaf ilayh. What will you call it? Zarf and mudaf ilayh. See? Very logical. Jarun, majrurun, and the next compound is zarf and mudaf ilayh, inshallah. So this is total revision, brother, from yesterday. And you wrote the Quranic verses. Write down again. And now you think about lakum dinukum Wali dini. Actually it is dini, but ya mutakallam is dropped. Style of the Quran. Are you with me? And then fi qulubihim maradun. Ala absarihim gishawatun. Walahum azabun azimun. So what is lahum? Jarun wa majrurun. And again I told you yesterday, brothers and sisters, this is a golden rule to remember. Jarun wa majrurun and zarf with mudaf ilayhi, they can never ever be mubtada. You have to remember this golden rule. They can never be mubtada. You don't have to write it, brother. You've got to just remember it now. क्या कहा मैंने कि जार majroor, which is shibbu jumla, and zarf with mudaf ilayhi, that is another shibbu jumla, they will never ever be mubtada. They can become khabar. So if they start the sentence, you do not have to be gabrified and say it came in the beginning, so min is mubtada. No, brother. It is jar majroor. Inshallah you will remember this. Okay, brothers and sisters. Enough of revision? Alhamdulillah. Okay. Now we come to same thing yesterday that I was doing. We still have 15 minutes, brothers and sisters. Tamarinu. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiyati. Now this is something, brother, we have to do it. We have to do it a lot. Masmuka ya akhi. I am asking Muhammad. Masmuka ya akhi.
Ma ismik Muhammad.
What did you say?
Ma ismik.
No. Then you will say Ismi Muhammad. Masmuka.
Ismi Muhammad.
Ismi Muhammad. Masmuki ya ukhti. Salma. Masmuka ya akhi. Ismi Abdul Qadir. Now watch me. Masmuha. Ismuha Salma. Masmuhu Abdul Qadir. See, this is how you will use it. Okay. Masmuha. Masmuhu. Ismuhu Muhammad. Masmuha. Ismuha Abi. Now you practice at home, brother. We are going to ask this question in the class. Masmuka ya akhi. Masmuhu Hasan. Okay. Masmuhu Ismu Salman. Masmuka ya akhi. Masmuhu Who. You will say Ismuhu. Okay. Nusrat. Masmuki. Masmuha. Minus. You see. Oh, Masmuhu Farooq. Got the idea? We are going to ask these questions. So, try to work out. Remember, whom you are asking. Are you asking male or female? If you ask a male, Muhammad, I will say Masmuka. Okay? If I ask Salma, I will say Masmuki. Now, I don't know the name of Abir, so I am asking Salma, Masmuha, what is her name? Now I don't know the name of Muhammad, so I am asking Salma, Masmuhu. And all the time, the answer could be Ismuha, Ismuhu, or Ismi. Ismi. When you say Ismi, what is Ismi? My name. More than that. Mubtada, Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. And where is the khabar? The name will be the khabar. Are you? No. Again. If you say Ismi Muhammadun. Ismi Muhammadun. Okay, brother? Ismi Muhammadun. Where is Mubtada? Ismi. It has a Dhamma. Yeah. So this is your Mubtada. وَهُوَ مُضَافٌ. And what is this Ya Mutakallam? Mudaf ilayhi. And then what is Muhammad? Is your khabar. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Huh? Or if you say Ismi Salma, the same thing, Salma will be your khabar. Huh? And if you say Ismuha Abir, so again Ismu Mubtada, Ha Mudaf ilayhi, and where is the khabar? Abir. And Ismuhu, what is Ismu? Mubtada. Hu Mudaf ilayhi. And khabar? Muhammad. Got the idea? Inshallah. So answer these questions, brothers and sisters. You have to answer mostly from the lesson. Masmuk hai, brothers and sisters? Ismi Muhammad. Are you with me? Ismi Muhammad. Fine. Ma lugatuka. How will you answer now? Lugati. Al-urdiyatu. Don't say urdiyati, urdiyatu. Khabar marfu. Fine. Oh, I forgot this. Min aina anta? Ana min al-Hind. Min al-Hindi, correct. Aina abuka? You can say Abi fil Kuwait. You have a choice. Abi, or you can say Huwa fil Kuwait. Or you say Abi. Very good. Aina ummuka? Hiya aidan fil Kuwait. Ma'a Abi. Here Ma'a Abi is correct. Okay. Hiya aidan fil Kuwait. Ma'a Abi. Okay. Alaka akhun, brothers and sisters, even if you have more than one brothers or you have no brothers, you will say Naam, li akhun wahidun, because we are practicing. Don't say more than one, because we have to learn to say more than one. Okay. Alaka akhun, Naam, li akhun wahidun. And even if you don't have sisters or you have 3-4 sisters, just say I have one sister. Alaka ukhtun, naam, li ukhtun wahidatun. Now, aindaka sayaratun, naam, indi sayaratun. What will you say? Indi. And if you don't have, you will say, aindaka sayaratun, la, no. Ma indi sayaratun, I don't have car. Ma indi sayaratun. Are you with me, brother? Very good. I want to finish this, inshallah. Brother, you don't mind if I take 5 minutes extra?
No.
Inshallah. Okay. Indaka darajatun, the answers will be same. Naam indi darajatun or ma indi la, ma indi darajatun. But you have to say la and then say ma. Indaka kalamun, naam indi kalamun. So brother and sisters, what you are doing is you are putting mubtada and khabar. But I am not analyzing because we have done it many times. Indaka daftarun? Naam, indi daftarun. Abuka tajirun? Naam. Abi tajirun shahirun. You can say he's a famous merchant. Min aina Muhammadun? Huwa min al-Hind. Now you will say huwa min al-Hind. Ma lugatuhu. Now see, now Dr. Sahib is coming with different pronouns. Ma lugatuhu. What will you say? Lugatuhu al-urdiyatu. Al-urdiyatu, not ti. Okay. Aina abuhu. Who? No, you can't say abi. You can say abuhu or you will say huwa fil Kuwait. Aina ummuhu. Hiya aidan fil Kuwait. Okay. Min aina Hamza? Huwa min al-Yabani. Are you with me? I'm going a little fast. Ma lugatuhu. Lugatuhu al-Yabaniyatu. Al-Yabaniyatu. Aina abuhu? Huwa fil Yaban. He is in Japan. Huwa fil Yaban. Or you can say abuhu fil Yaban. Aina Zainabu? Hiya fil Iraq. She's in Iraq. Aina zawjuha? See, aina zawjuha? Zawjuha fil aidan fil Iraq. Are you with me? zawjuha aidan fil Iraq. Huh?
Wouldn't it be zawjiha?
Why will you say, this is what I want to tell you. Why will you say zawji? There has to be a reason. Is it mudaf ilayh? No. Has a preposition come? No. So it cannot be zawji. Aina zawjuha. See, when you give kasra to the noun, you got to have a reason, brother.
The reason for it being is
Either mudaf ilayh or jar majrur. Remember, brother, the only time in the whole Arabic language the ism will become majroor if there is a harf jar in front of it, or it comes as a mudaf ilayhi. So be that mudaf ilayhi or zarf mudaf ilayhi. That's all. No other time kasra will come. So it's very easy, brother.
This is being asked of the male, right? Aina zawjuha.
Aina zawjuha. Where is her? Her husband. Zawjuha.
Or her husband.
Where is her husband? Are you with me, brother? This thing has to be understood. You know, as I told you, brothers and sisters, I always, myself when I was learning, I was confused. But then I realized that if we can understand when is the ism becomes majroor, when does the ism become majroor, when you know that, it will be very easy to figure out. Okay? Otherwise, you will never say, Aina zawjiha. Why would you say Aina zawjiha? Aina zawjuha. Are you with me? From now onwards, every morning, I will ask you, if I say to you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, what will you say to me? And if I say Arabic greeting to you in this class only, harf jar, you got to reply. Huh? If you will not reply, you will become weak then. Okay, harf jar? If there is no harf jar, why will you make this ism majroor, brother? Are you with me? Harf jar? Ism majroor. You must say to me, just for practice, brother, so that it sinks in your mind. Harf jar? Ism majroor. Okay, brother? So we are here. Okay. The brother puts in the blanks damir, who and ha. Brother, what is? Azawjuha mudarrisun? La. No, la. Azawjuha mudarrisun? La. Huwa muhandisun. Khalas, that's it. Okay. Now, brother, look at this very carefully. It's very easy. هذه البنت طالبة. So, brother, what is هذه? Mubtada. What is al-bintu? Badal. Where is the khabar? Right. Circle talibatun. What will you say now? Ismuha Zainabu. Is it easy? Inshallah. Muhammadun tabibun. Mubtada khabar. Wabnu hu? Muhandisun. Wabnu hu? Are you following me? It's very easy, brother. Hadha rajulu tajirun kabirun. What will you say? Ismuhu Abdullahi. Got the idea? Aminatu fil gurfati wa ummuha fil matbakhi. Fine. Aishatu tabibatun wa ukhtuha mumaridatun. Kharaja Muhammadun min al-fasli wa kharaja ma'ahu zamiluhu. You cannot say zamilihi. It has to be zamiluhu. You know why, brother? Huh? Okay, this is a tough thing. Write down, brother. Kharaja ma'ahu zamiluhu. Are you writing? Kharaja ma'ahu zamiluhu. Maybe I should write down on the board, brother. I'm taking 5 minutes extra today, brother, so that inshallah we can start tomorrow from a certain place. Kharaja ma'ahu zamiluhu. Brother, it is tough. This is a tough question. But I want to test your knowledge, brother. What is kharaja? Fail. And the kharaja, when it comes, it means if there is a fa'il, it has to be a masculine. It has to be masculine, fine. So it's a jumla failure. Is it jumla failure? Yeah. We want to find out where is the fa'il. Read the whole sentence. Sister Arifa, where is the fa'il? Fa'il is always marfu. In this case, no, you have to think, is it mustatir? No, it is not mustatir. So where is then fa'il? Zamilu. What is who? Mudaf ilayhi. Sister Maina, what is this, sister? Mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? This is mudaf ilayhi. So, mudaf ilayhi is majroor. This is marfu. Are you with me? So, what is ma'ahu? Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. This is out. So then kharaja, the file is zamiluhu. So change it now. Bring the file closer. What will you say? Kharaja zamiluhu ma'ahu. Are you with me? If you brought the file closer, it becomes very easy to understand. Are you with me? But in the Quran, sometimes the file will come after a kilometer away. But then we have to watch the whole sentence to figure out. So here it is kharaja, fi'l, ma'a zarf, hu, mudaf ilayhi, zamilu, fa'il, wa huwa mudaf, and mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? This is done. I've got 2 more minutes. Okay. Now question number 3, brother. You have to give 5 sentences from your own composition, and the answer should be naam indi. Will you be able to do it at home? We'll be asking you a question. Aindaka sayaratun? You will say naam indi sayaratun. Aindaka daftarun? Naam indi daftarun. Aindaka kitabun? Naam indi kitabun. Are you with me, brother? Okay. You will make 5 sentences. Okay, brother? Brother and sister? Aindaka kalamun? Naam indi kalamun. So you have to now, I will say 5 sentences and you will reply loudly. Aindaka darrajatun? Aindaka kitabun? Aindaka baytun? See, got the idea? Aindaka sayaratun? Naam indi sayaratun. Very good. Now you have to negate it. Aindaka kalamun? La, ma indi kalamun. Aindaka sayaratun? La, ma indi sayaratun. Aindaka kitabun? La, ma indi kitabun. Aindaka baytun? La, ma indi baytun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fine. And then the next exercise, I explained you. Adif means add. Adif asma al-atiyata to the following names. Ila mutakallim. What is mutakallim? Ya. Mukhatab is ka. And ghaib is who. Wa ghaibatu huma ha. Ghaibatu became ha. Kama huwa muwaddahun fil misal. As it is explained in the example. Kalamun, hadha kalami, hadha kalamuka, hadha kalamuhu, hadha kalamuha. I hope you made practice. Ready? First one. What will you say? Everybody together. Hadha kitabi. Hadha kitabuka. Hadha kitabuhu. Hadha kitabuha. Now, brother, how can you do it so well now? Because now you understand. What we are doing, we are understanding everything. Are you with me, brother and sister, inshallah? Sarirun. Hadha sariri. Hadha sariruka. Hadha sariruhu. Hadha sariruha. Next one. Ismu. Now you have to be careful. Hadha ismi. Hadha ismuka. هذا اسمه هذا اسمها. Okay. منديل هذا منديلي هذا منديلك هذا منديله هذا منديلها. Next one, brother. هذا ابني هذا ابنك هذا ابنه هذا ابنها. Okay. سيارتي هذه سيارتي هذه سيارتك هذه سيارته هذه سيارتها. Very good. مفتاح هذا مفتاحي هذا مفتاحك هذا مفتاحه هذا مفتاحها. Are you with me? مفتاحها. هذه يدي هذه يدك هذه يده هذه يدها. See, it was very easy, inshallah. Now, we have been given 4. Li, laka, lahu, laha. And see, now they are not in sequence, but we have practiced it. Let us do one more time. Starting from lahu. And do it faster, brother. Ready? Lahu, lahu lahuma, lahum, laha, lahuma, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakuma, lakunna, li, lana. We will say fast, brother, inshallah, next time also. Try. We will try. Okay, inshallah. Now, brother and sister, here are 4 sentences. This is for reading, but I would request you to write also. Inshallah. Li. What is li, brother? Jar majrur. Can it be mubtada? No. What is it then here? Khabar. Put a circle. Remember we circled khabar? Li. Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada, brother? Ukhtun. And what is wahidatun? Naat. Very good. Alaka akhun. Do you have a brother? What is the answer? La. What is ma? Harfu nafi. What is it? Harfu nafi. A particle of negation. Harfu nafi. Very good. What is li? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Where is mubtada? Akhun. Got the idea? Alhamdulillah. Why akhun came late? He stopped at Tim Hortons to get his coffee. Okay. Now comes again, brother and sister, something I am getting little bolder with you to show you all these things. Many times I skip this. I only translate. But this time I'm getting little bolder. Because I think you all of you are mashallah, mashallah. Excellent, excellent. Okay. I gave you a page in which 5 kinds of khabar are mentioned. Now some scholars will say the khabar is of 3 kinds. What will they say? First is mufrad, one word. And if the khabar is one word, it is always marfu. It is always marfu. The second section they say shibu jumla. Now you see shibu jumla is of 2 kinds. One is, shibu jumla means phrase. One is jar majroor and other is zarf. Are you with me? So you can say that also, brothers and sisters. But if you separate them, then they become 2 and 3. Sahi? Now the third section is a jumla can come as a khabar. Okay? Now how many kinds of jumla? Jumla ismiya and jumla fi'liya. Okay? So it's very easy to identify jumla fi'liya. For example, Hamidun dhahaba ila souk. So Hamidun is our mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? Dhahaba ila souk. It has got fi'l and fa'il and everything. So whole jumla came as a khabar. Now a jumla ismiya can come as a khabar. Jumla ismiya can come as a khabar. So we have to watch. We have to watch. And I'm trying to explain you in as simple a way as it is possible. First and foremost thing, when the mubtada comes, you keep it aside and look to the other sentence. After looking to that other sentence, you decide what it is. For example, here is ukhti. What is ukhti, brothers and sisters? Yes, he is right. Ukhtu is mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim is mudaf. See, Sister Salma, I said ukhtu. Actually, it is ukhtu. Why is ukhti? Because of the ya mutakallim. Sahi? This brought it down. So we have ukhtu as a mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayh. Now forget it. And what is the next sentence? Laha tiflun saghirun. Now tell me what is laha? Jar majrur. Jar majrur can never be mubtada. Jar majrur, shibbu jumla, khabar. But then what is tiflun? Mubtada. And it's a naat. So we again have here a sentence. Apart from this, we have a sentence in which there is a jar majrur shibbu jumla khabar, there is a mubtada, and there is a naat. Brothers and sisters? Now, what is this sentence doing here? Acting as a khabar for the mubtada in the beginning. Are you with me? So what will you call this, Sister Arifa? This is mubtada. We forget it for the time being. And we now concentrate on this. This is a jumla. Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar, mubtada, na. Now, is this a sentence? What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. So whole jumla ismiya came as a khabar for ukhti. Now, this is also possible. And in the Quran it will come. Wallahu mubtada. Indahu husnu sawab. So indahu husnu sawab is a separate jumla which came as a khabar for Allah. And we will be doing a lot of examples to make you strong, brother. Now the next sentence, zamili. What is zamili? It is mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Originally, it is zamilu. But ya mutakallim brought it down. So zamilu is your mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, and mudaf ilayh. Leave it aside. Are you with me? Forget it for the time being. It does not exist. Okay? What is the next one? Lahu, jar majrur. What is this, brothers and sisters? Ukhtun. Oh, akhun, I beg your pardon. Akhun wa ukhtun, I beg your pardon. Okay, this is very interesting. Okay. Zamili, I know zamili. Zamilu mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Leave it aside. Forget as if it doesn't exist. Okay. Then what is lahu? Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Where is our mubtada? Akhun. Nahi, thariye. Akhun is our mubtada. And what is waw? Ataf. And what is ukhtun? Ma'tufun ala? It is akhun. What will you say? Ma'tufun ala akhun. Are you with me? Nahi, okay. What is this, sister? Mubtada. What is this? Ataf. That is conjunction. And. So what is this ukhtun? Do you call it mubtada? No. Mubtada is here. Why this is marfu as like akhun marfu? Because it is connected to this by way of wow. Okay, what do we call it in Arabic? Ma'tufun. Remember, we have done it. Don't you remember? Ash-shamsu wal kamaru fis samai. Remember? And we did that it is al-kamaru is ma'tufun ala shamsu. So brother, ukhtun is mawtufun ala akhun. In other words, it is connected with akhun by way of wow. Are you with me? Fine. Now this whole jumla, what is this whole jumla doing? Is a khabar for zamil. Is it clear now? Inshallah. So in other words, jumla ismiya can also come as a khabar. And it will have this kind of a situation. Inshallah. Very good, brothers and sisters. Now the next one is nakulu. What is the meaning of nakulu? We say. We are going to do these verbs later on in book 2. Indi kitabun. When you are talking about your own personal possession of things, you will say indi kitabun, indi baitun, indi sayaratun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. Nakulu, when you have to talk about your brothers and sisters, you don't say indi, you say li. Li akhun, li ukhtun. La nakulu, we don't say indi akhun. That will be a very poor Arabic. Incorrect. But we will remember this, inshallah. Now comes ma'a. Okay? The use of ma'a. Brothers and sisters, what is ma'a? Zarf. What will follow after it? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas, brother. That's it. That's it. Okay? So, we are going to analyze, for the fun of it, so that you become stronger and you will translate. And inshallah, you will write at home. Kharaja Hamidun ma'a Khalidin. Brother, see, as soon as ma'a came, Khalidun became Khalidin. Why? Mudaf ilayhi. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. See how easy and beautiful and logical it is. Once you know the rules, brother, what shall I say? It is all halwa puri. Okay. Zahabat tabibu. Okay, I forgot something. Kharaja fi'al. Where is the file? Hamidun. Here the file I can see. Marfu. Kharajat zahabat tabibu. Where is the verb? Zahaba. Where is the file? Atabibu. Okay. Ma'al muhandi si. Al muhandi si. You got the idea? With muhandis. We will say zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Because this is jumla fi'liya. In jumla fi'liya, we don't talk about khabar and mubtada. We are only concerned with fi'al and fa'il. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudir. Jalasal mudarrisu ma'al mudiri. Okay, but jalasa is fi'al. Where is the fa'il? Al mudarrisu. What is ma'a? Zarf. What is al mudiri? Mudaf ilayhi. Khalas, brother. Man ma'aka ya aliyu. What is the translation? Who is with you, ya Ali? Man ma'aka. See, ma'aka, what is ma'aka? Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Zarf and mudaf ilayhi. Okay. And then ma'i zamili. Now you try to analyze it. Ma'i. Where is mubtada? Sister Mehnaz, you are quick to say ma'i. What is the rule? Zarf can never be mubtada. Jar majroor can never be mubtada. This is zarf and mudaf ilayhi can never be mubtada. It can come as a khabar. So where is the mubtada? Zamilu, not zamili. Zamilu wa huwa mudaf ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. And what is ma'i? Ma is your shibu jumla khabar and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. Let me write down this and you can copy this, inshallah. What is ma'a, brother? Zarf. And then I will write down shibu jumlati. What shall I write down? Khabar. नहीं, उसमें हम हुआ मुदाफ नहीं कहेंगे. Are you with me? Zarf will say zarf. उसमें नहीं कहेंगे. But इसको क्या कहेंगे? मुदाफ इलेही. But that's what I said in Urdu was that zarf we will only say zarf. We won't say it is mudaf. No. Zarf followed by mudaf ilayhi. This is better. Okay? Fine. What is this, brother? Mubtada. Are you with me? Now we will say wahuwa mudafun. And what is this? Mudaf ilayhi. Got your? Inshallah. We start again, brothers and sisters, inshallah. Now number 8 is very easy. Baitun, baituka, baituhu, baituha, and baiti. But alhamdulillah, we can do 14 times. Are you with me? Okay. Now comes abun and akhun. And I told you yesterday, they are special nouns. They are special. At this moment, I only want to say that they are special nouns. Little more detail, when we go in little more detail, inshallah, I will explain you, brothers and sisters. Now, abu, when abu will become mudaf, waw will come out. Are you with me, brother? That is a spelling rule, so watch for it. Abuka, abuhu, abuha, abi. But you can say, all the 14s that we have done. Would you like to say it? Abuhu, abuhuma, abuhum, abuha, abuhuma, abuhunna, abuka, abukuma, abukum, abuki, abukuma, abukunna, abi, abuna. Got the idea? So easy. But next one, ahun. So we have here ahuka, ahuhu, ahuha, ahi. We will do 14 inshallah. Ahuhu, ahuhuma, ahuhum, ahuha, ahuhuma, ahuhunna, ahuka, ahukuma, ahukum, ahuki, ahukuma, ahukunna, ahi, ahuna. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Okay. Now the next thing, brothers and sisters, we are going to do it. Abi wa ummi fil bayt. First translation. Abi wa ummi fil bayt. How will you translate? My father and my mother in the house. Okay. Now we want to analyze it if we can. It is not compulsory. Dr. Abdurrahim doesn't say that we should do it, but I feel that you are very strong, very intelligent. Inshallah, you'll be able to do it. So, brother, Abi, what is Abi? Mubtada. Abu is Mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf. Ya mutakalam mudaf ilayh. And then waw. What is waw? Ataf. And what is ummi? Mawtufun ala abu. Only Wa huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayh. You will also define it. Ummi as a mudaf ilayh. But what is mawtufun is ummu. Mawtufun to abu. Fine. And what is fil bayti? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Very good. Aina abuka ya hamidu. What is the answer? Zahaba ila suki. What kind of a jumla is this? Jumla failure. There is a verb. Where is the verb? Zahaba. Where is the file? Mustatir, because it's huwa. And ila suk jar majrur. Right. Akhuka tabibun. Is your brother a doctor? La huwa mudarisun. What is huwa mudarisun? Mubtada and khabar. MashaAllah. Zainabu firriyadi. So what is Zainabu? Mubtada. Firriyadi jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Akhuha fit tahif. Where is the mubtada? Akhu. Wa huwa mudaf. Ha mudaf ilayhi. Fit taifi. What is it? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Wa abuha. What is abu? Mubtada. Ha mudaf ilayhi. And then fil madinati jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. And what is al munawwarati? Naat. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Now comes a complex sentence. Haza talibu. What is haza? Mubtada. Haza is mubtada. And what is talibu? Badal. So hada is ismu ishara mubtada. Wa talibu badal. Badal, leave it aside. Put a line and leave it aside. Forget it. Forget it. Now what is the sentence? Abuhu wazirun. So what is Abu? Mubtada. Huwa mudaf. Hu mudaf ilayhi. And wazirun? Khabar. Okay. Again waw came. Ataf. And what is akhuhu? Mubtada. Huwa mudaf. Mudaf ilayhi. What is tajirun? Khabar. And kabirun? Not. Now this whole jumla ismiya is coming as a khabar for hadha talibu. She said, Naima, nahi samajh mein aaya? Don't worry. Hadha talibu. What is hadha? Mubtada. What is talibu? Batal. छोड़ दो एक तरफ. भूल जाए उसको. लेकिन है. We are only temporarily putting them aside. We are reading now forward. What is it? Abuhu. What is Abu? Mubtada. What is Hu? Mudaf ilayhi. What is Wazirun? Khabar. What is Waw? Ataf. What is Akhu? Mubtada. What is Hu? Mudaf ilayhi. What is Tajirun? Khabar. Khabar for Akhu. Kabirun? Naat. Now this whole thing that we read, what is it? This whole thing is a khabar for Hadha Talibu. This student, what about this student? Look at me. This student, what about it? Give me the news. His father is a wazir and his brother is a big merchant. So that is whole thing is a news. See how the pronoun came? His father and his brother. Got the idea? Inshallah. Okay. You have a big advantage, Sister Naima. You have your husband also. Alhamdulillah. Zahaba akhi. What kind of a sentence is this? Jumla is fi'liya. Okay, brother, we got to find out where is the verb. Zahaba. Where is the file? Akhu. Remember, file is marfu. So you will say akhu is your file, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Akhu is two words. One is marfu and one is majroor. Because it is mudaf ilayhi. The file can be only marfu. So akhu is your file, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. Clear? Sister Maimuna, is this clear, sister? Inshallah. Ila al-madrasati. Jar majrur khalas. Wa, waw, ataf, and zahaba, fi'al. Abi, where is the file? Abu, wa huwa mudaf, and ya mutakallam mudaf ilayhi. Ila jamiyati. Jar majrur khalas. Okay, brother? Now, number 9 is only telling you that some proper nouns have tanween and some proper nouns have single dhamma. When you see single dhamma on a proper noun, what does it tell you? It tells you I am a diptote. I am declinable, but only to certain extent. So, okay, brother and sister, hamzatu, marfu, make it mansub, hamzata, make it majroor, hamzata, khalas. Are you with me? Talhatu, talhata, talhata. Okay. Usamatu, usamata, usamata. Muawiyatu, muawiyata, muawiyata. But it is ikramatu. But it is ikramatu. Ikramatu, ikramata, ikramata. Are you with me? Compared to this, Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Khalidun, Khalidan, Khalidin. Okay? What we are going to do now, read the names, read the following names, and put proper vowel signs at the end. In other words, You should know whether the noun ends with a single dhamma or the noun ends with a tanween. Okay, ready? Okay. Khalidun. Hamza tu. Amma. Ana sun. Ana sun. Muawiya tu. Hami. And what is the next one, brother? Usama tu. Usama tu. Ikrama tu. Abba. Muhammad. Talha tu. Okay, fine, brother. Al-kalimatul jadid. Az-zamilu. Definite noun. Colleague. Az-zawju. Spouse. What is it? Spouse. Wahidun. One. Fatan. Young fellow. You know, teenager. Fatan. Teenage. Young fellow, you know. Fatan is a young fellow. Ma'a, with. At-tiflu, child. Child. Male child. The tiflatu will become little girl.